Alright, okay guys, so let's continue to the page 67. So let's read the question together. So Mrs. Go bought enough materials to make 8 curtains and some cushion covers. The cost of the material was $128 for each curtain and $461 for the cushion covers. Alright, so question A, how much did Mrs. Go spend on the material for the curtain? While the next question is the material costs $5 a meter. How many meters of the materials did Mrs. Go buy altogether? Alright, before we start answering the question, please read again and please underline and circle the keywords and the information given in the question, right? In the sentences here. So, Mrs. Go bought enough material to make 8 curtains and some cushion covers, alright? So the cost of the materials was $128 for each curtain and $461 for the cushion cover. Alright, so let's write the information given first. Alright. So each curtain cost was $128. Alright. And cushion cover cost $461. So this is the two information given, and one more. Mrs. Go bought enough material to make 8 curtains. So each curtain costs this, and in the sentences here, meaning that she make 8 curtains, right? So in question A, how much did Mrs. Go spend on the material for the curtains? How much did she spend? Spend here. Spend meaning that you need to find the cost, right? For the curtain or the cushion cover, but the question asked here is for the curtains. So one curtains, we know that is $128. So how many curtains that she make is 8, right? 8. So how to find the answer is by multiplying by 8. One curtain is equal to 128. So 8 curtain is equal to how much, right? So in order to find the answer, we need to times 128 times by 8, right? So during this holiday, please make sure that you already memorize all the multiplication table from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, and also 12 if you can, alright? So now 8 times 8, you will get 64. 2 times 8, 16, plus 6, you will get 22. So 1 times 8, you will get 8, plus 2, you will get 10. So what is the total price or the total spending cost for the curtains is equal to $1,024. Please make sure you write the dollar sign here, okay? So let's move to the next question. So the material costs $5 a meter. Alright, the material costs $5 a meter. How many meters of material did Mrs. Go buy altogether? Okay, so this is a little bit tricky part that you need to understand that in the sentence here, it's already given the cost for cushion cover and also the cost for the curtain. Alright, so the total cost for curtain is equal to, sorry for the blur, is equal to 1024, while the cost spent for the cushion cover is 461. So we need to add up these two first in order to find the total spending for the cushion cover and also the curtain. So you will get, let me do it here, 1024 plus 461. So 4 plus 1, you will get 5. 2 plus 6, you will get 8. 0 plus 4, you will get 4. 1, it will be 1. So the total the total spending for the curtain and also cushion cover is 1485. So the information given in this question is the cost for 1 meter. A meter here refer to 1 meter, right? So the cost for 1 meter material is $5. So how many meters of material did Mr. Sko buy altogether? So we already know the total spending for both curtains and cushion cover, which is 1485. So in order to find the answer for the meters, we just need to divide by $5 because 1 meter is $5. In a simple way is 1 meter is equal to $5. So how many meter is used for $1,485. This one is the total spending for the curtain and also cushion cover. So 1 meter we know $5. So how many meter for 1,485? So you just need to divide by 5. So 1,485 divided by 5. So again, 1 cannot divide by 5, so we move to 14. 14 divided by 5, the nearest part is 10. So 5 times by 2, you will get 10. So 14 minus 10, you will get 4. So bring down 8. So the nearest to 48 is 45. You will get here 9. So minus 8 minus 5, you will get 3. Bring down 5. So the nearest to the 35 is 7. So is it the last answer is in dollars or in meter? So here you need to look back at the question. Please don't be careless, alright? So the question asks you how many meters. So for sure this answer is in meters, it's not in dollars, right? So the final answer will be 297 meter. Okay, I hope that you understand this question. If there is any problem with this question, please let me know.